What's up, everybody? Patrick LaRouche here from Evolve Restorative Therapy. You can find me at livepainfreeprocess.com. Have a pain-free concierge service that teaches people how to heal, not just what to do, but how to do it. There's so much more than just doing things and expecting your body to heal, because we have lost touch with the art of healing. We stop doing things on a daily basis that gets our body to consistently heal. So when we need it to, we can just active and just go. Your body has all the materials, all the things it needs to heal. And that's what I'm here to teach. This month is all about hip pain. And I have a little spin on hip pain based off of foam rolling. And foam rolling for the hip, I've shown in the past. And now there's a couple videos about foam rolling your quad, foam rolling your glute that you have to watch and know in order to do this. But I believe if you learn how to watch yourself and take care of yourself, you'll be able to figure out this just like you can figure out anything else. So this is slightly advanced in the way that we're going to be getting you to eliminate hip pain. So hip pain itself is all about the fact that the hip is grinding on itself and there's contracted muscles in many different places. We have to unbind that hip and get that hip to start learning how to rotate naturally. So the way we're going to do it foam rolling wise is we're going to foam roll your quad, which I've shown in the past, and you should already be doing that. That's already. But now we're going to be doing it exactly like the alternate way that I show, the calf way. We're going to be rolling your hip left and right, based on the fact that you're foam rolling your quad, but that quad and that movement of left and right of your hip joint, that's what's going to be giving you the feedback that you need, the movement that you need. As well as we're going to be hitting the adductor, because the adductor squeezes your leg together, and that's a chronic place for your legs just to bow naturally. It just naturally goes. Even if you're somewhat weak, we have this tendency, this slight pattern to close our legs and hold our legs there, especially if you're a female, because females from a very young age are told to keep their legs closed. So there's always somewhat of a resting tension rate. It's a yin zone that's very, very sensitive and tender, so please take your time and at ease with this. So the cue point that I want you to watch for is I'm going to turn around. I'm not going to be looking at you, and I apologize for that, but you want to look at how my foot rolls left and right. Not so much how my back rolls, because I'm going to be using my back rotation to get more hip rotation, because we want to get our body used to doing a number like this. So key cheats are going to be, your foot is going to do this right where your knee lies. I need your whole entire leg. So think your foot is straight and you're moving your knee as well as your foot, not just your foot, okay? So number one, key points of foam rolling. Angle versus weight load. So don't let your body dump. Everything is here, everything is straight. Let me get a little straighter for you guys. Everything's here, everything is straight, right? Don't let it dump. You want to balance your weight load on your opposite leg, which, and let's switch sides here. You want to balance your weight load right here. Dropping it on and then slowly coming back onto the leg and holding yourself there, and then slowly foam rolling. Now, that's from the other video. Please watch that first. Now, what you want to do now, I'm going to turn around, is now put your leg here. Your body is straight. My weight load is on this leg and my elbows, and now you're going to slowly rotate the leg, and then slowly rotate the leg. And you see how I'm swinging my body, rotating. I'm opening my leg all the way through. This is going to be a difficult thing to do for a lot of people, because this area is tight all the way through. Let me show you on the other one. Here, slide in, you're foam rolling naturally here, then you stop, open. Open. And you see how I had to pause? Because my muscle tissue would start to move. I had to wait and I had to hold it naturally. Here, and then you want to slide the foam roller up. Again, roll through. Now, this needs to be at a slow, methodical pace. Once you get that done, and I stop to do this because your adductor is very, very sensitive and it's a very delicate place. So don't do this every single day. Don't do this often, right? You're going to be laying here like so, just like the sleeping position. You're going to put instead of the foam roller being straight, you're going to put it long ways, like so. Put it underneath and here. So I have it closer to my knee, and I'm just going to wait. My hips are spread now that I learned how to open. I spread my hips. And as I spread my hips, I roll just a smidgen. And then I relax. So in order for me to look up and keep my chest up, I'm actually arching my back. I want you actually to be nice and flat. But because of the mic, I don't want to do that. So nice and flat. And then you pick yourself up. Here, drop down, spread. Again, we're spreading the hips. And then we're foam rolling naturally, nice and easy. And it's not going to feel good. Once you get the compression and the feel of it, that's when you're able to start rolling, because it's very, very sensitive. If you want more pressure, I'm not a big fan of this, just bring your leg out straighter. But if you want less, bring your foot in. Bringing your foot in is the ideal place because this needs to be nice and ginger, nice and easy. Now, key point to this is foam rolling is all about angle versus weight load. Bye-bye. Number two, it needs to be slow. It needs to be at your own pace. Look at what you're doing, how you're doing it. And the focus point is not foam rolling the quad, it's rotating the femur that we have to learn. We have to get our glutes and everything to learn to rotate the femur. There's a lot of feedback that's going to happen here. There's a lot of things that's going on. So focus on the fact that how well am I rotating my femur? At first, you will need to use your whole entire body to open up, open and close. But be ginger with that. Take care. As you do this more and more, it'll get easier and easier to lock in your body with your core and have your foot and hip move out. Until next time, folks. Peace.